Why is this training so pivotal for your life? If you don't already know it, inflammation is the primary driver of almost every single chronic disease, the primary driver of almost all health maladies. 8 of the top 10 leading causes of death are inextricably linked to inflammation. It's heart disease. It is all the metabolic diseases. It is weight gain. It is obesity. It is fatty liver disease. It is metabolic syndrome. It is some cancers. It is dementia. It is neurodegenerative conditions. Of course, it's type 2 diabetes. It's prediabetes because those are metabolic issues. It is asthma. It is allergies. It is autoimmune conditions. It's virtually all the mental health conditions. Mental health conditions are inflammation in the brain is a part of all of them. Okay? It is poor stress resiliency. It is, oh my God, I'm like chronically stressed. I'm stressed all the time, right? Because inflammation really makes you prone to what we call this kind of toxic stress. We'll be talking about that later. What else? It's about pretty much anything you could name, right? You know, poor energy, pain. All pain is caused by inflammation, right? So that's really important to understand. That's why this training has such impact, and that's why I'm so passionate about making sure you're grasping it and learning this. The second thing that is really important to know is that you have enormous control over that inflammation. Obviously, I wouldn't be doing this free training. You have massive control over the level of this toxic, this damaging inflammation that drives diseases. You have control over that in your own body. Okay, so you are the driver of that train, right? You are the captain of that ship. My job is going to be to motivate you, inspire you. I'm good at that. And to teach you in a way that you can understand it, the key steps to take to calm this toxic inflammation down. Okay,